Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends too. For today's video, it's our second day here at the Ibis Styles Hotel here in Araneta City. And we'll be having breakfast in a while. Let's go! We are now here at the breakfast area. Tawag nila streets. Ayan. Medyo may pila. Kasi it's about past 8 in the morning. Let's go! Sana masarap. Ayan, mabilis naman. Kami na yung next in line. Ayan sila Richard, Michael, and Rolly. And yung name ng Resto Streets. Malaki yung area ito. May tingnan natin yung food. Here are the food choices. They have miso soup. And also have the classic champorado. And ube champorado. Then ito pa, meron din silang do-it-yourself lugaw. Yan, kayo na magtitipa ng gusto nyo ilagay. And then meron ding do-it-yourself noodle station. Meron din silang bread station. Yan, ka mag-reheat ng breads. Yan, croissants, plain chocolate. Silang pan. For the health-conscious one, meron na silang salad station for DIY. Complete with dress. Siyempre hindi mawawala ang coffee station. And meron ding cold beverages station. Ayan, para sa mga ayaw mag-coffee, pwede mag-juice and water. Meron din silang dessert station. Donuts, table table, pwede bang big cakes na uy, bakeries, there are mga cheese and some cold cuts. Meron din sila dito ang mga nakahamon. Siguro i-request mo. And meron silang fruits. Ito naman sa mga ilang main dishes. Meron baked beans. Meron din sausage, may cook on the spot ng bacon. Kaya merong adobo, and dried fish. Isang isyata. Ayan, may coffees here. Pero yung food wala pa. Sila lang kukuha sa akin. So, ganito yung area niya. Pala yung church na Gateway Mall 2. Sa labas yung church. Yun na yung food nila. Richard and Rolly. Nakuha pa yun sa akin. Here's my food. Now we're done with our breakfast. Iwan na lang. Kaya kailangan mag-tour. Yung mga photo of the area sa West Galaya. after mag picture, bumalik na rin kami sa room at di na kami nakapag-swimming. Ngayon, pictorial, hehe, behind the scene. Di na kami nag-pool, dito na lang, pictorial.
Yan, maganda yan. Huwag mo takto yung mukha mo. Pwede.
And here are the results. Ganda, di ba? Thank you, Richard, for the photos and the edits. Hehe. And here are the other captured photos that we had yesterday and last night. Pare-pareho kaming pajamas. We are now preparing for check-out. Umuwi. Michael, maliligo pa. Si Rolly may lakad pa. Ako uwi ng San Juan. And na, check out na kami. And we're leaving 10:08. Room 10:08. Bye. So, bago umuwi, coffee daw muna. Ang daming tao dito sa SB. And our drinks have finally arrived. Hehe. Niloloko namin si Rolly kasi naka-hot coffee siya. Matanda na. At syempre pa, picture din sa SB. Hehe. Yan, picture muna bago umuwi. So after dito, uwian na. At ito nga na isa kayo nila at pauwi na ako sa wakas. Traffic. Hindi naman pala ma-traffic. Nasa bandang traffic light lang tayo kanina kaya nakahinto. Ayan, malapit na tayo at nakikita ko ng ating bababaan. Ayan. May tent na blue. And I'm finally home. At dito ko na rin tatapusin ang ating video. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends too. See you on my next vlog. Bye!